The importance of data in HR: leveraging information for better decision-making. In today's data-driven world, the amount of information collected about individuals, both inside and outside of work, is vast. This data can be immensely valuable for HR professionals if used effectively and ethically. However, many people believe there is not much useful data available to support decision-making. This perspective often arises from a lack of awareness about the types of data that exist and how they can be utilized. Let's explore the types of data that may be held by your organization, how this data can support HR decision-making, and the ethical considerations involved. Types of data available in organizations. Quantitative data. Quantitative data involves numbers and measurable information. Examples include attendance records, when employees arrive and leave work; performance metrics, sales figures, production output, or customer service ratings; employee turnover rates, the number of people leaving the organization over a specific period; training hours, the amount of training completed by employees. Qualitative data. Qualitative data provides insights into the why behind the numbers. Examples include employee surveys, feedback on job satisfaction, engagement, and workplace culture; exit interviews, reasons why employees choose to leave the organization; focus groups, in-depth discussions on specific HR topics such as diversity and inclusion. Sources of data: inside and outside of work mobile devices. Track location information, call data, and app usage. Social media collects data on marital status, food preferences, political views, and social interactions. Digital devices store data on browsing habits, time spent online, and download amounts. Travel and financial data track travel patterns and spending habits through travel cards and bank transactions. Employer records information on work hours, email activity, leave records, and personal details like age, dependents, and salary. Leveraging HR data for decision-making. Improving employee morale. By measuring employee happiness and well-being, organizations can identify areas needing improvement and take proactive steps to enhance workplace satisfaction, thereby reducing turnover and increasing productivity. Driving business performance. Analytics can identify employees with strong leadership skills, aiding in better recruitment and promotion decisions. This can ensure that the right people are in the right positions, driving overall business success. Improving retention. Understanding the reasons behind employee turnover can help HR develop strategies to retain talent. For example, if exit interviews reveal that lack of career development is a major issue, HR can implement targeted training and development programs. Predictive analytics. Moving beyond historical data, predictive analytics can forecast future trends, such as identifying which employees are at risk of leaving, allowing HR to intervene before issues escalate. Ethical considerations in data collection and use. HR professionals must navigate the ethical implications of data collection and usage, ensuring compliance with data protection laws and maintaining employee trust. Here are some key considerations. Transparency and consent. Employees should be informed about what data is being collected, how it will be used, and must provide consent. Transparency builds trust and ensures employees feel respected. Data security. Protecting data from unauthorized access and breaches is paramount. Organizations must implement robust security measures to safeguard sensitive information. Avoiding bias. HR data should be collected and analyzed in a way that avoids reinforcing biases. For instance, ensuring that part-time employees or contractors are not excluded from data analysis is crucial for fair decision-making. Ethical use of data. HR initiatives should be based on accurate and comprehensive data. For example, tracking email activity to measure performance can be misleading and unethical if employees are unaware and if the data does not provide a complete picture of their contributions. Examples of ethical and unethical use of HR data. Scenario 1. Wearable technology. Unethical. Implementing wearable technology to track employee activity without consent and using it to reward exercise habits can invade privacy and create a sense of being monitored unfairly. Ethical alternative. Use wearable technology with employee consent, ensuring data is used to promote wellness programs that employees voluntarily participate in. Scenario 2. Email monitoring. Unethical. Tracking email activity without employees' knowledge and using it to determine performance can lead to unfair assessments and demotivation. Ethical alternative. Use email activity data with transparency combined with other performance metrics and ensure employees are aware of how their performance is being evaluated. Conclusion. Effective and ethical use of HR data can significantly enhance decision-making and organizational outcomes. By understanding the types of data available and leveraging it responsibly, HR professionals can drive improvements in employee morale, business performance, and retention. Always prioritizing transparency, consent, and fairness will ensure that HR practices not only comply with legal standards, but also foster a positive organizational culture.